I'm Roberto, I'm from Brazil, and I'm doing commercial cooking. As I said, as soon as I arrived here, I started to work as a kitchen hand. I worked for 1 year and a half, and that time I started to work in the kitchen, and my head chef saw the passion that I got in the kitchen, and when he know that I start to study as in commercial cook, he gave me opportunity to work as a cook. So gave me a kind of promotion. For me, Metropolitan TAFE is the best school, and when I come here, wow, was crazy. I listen to some music like the heaven, because the equipment here is completely new, it's modern. The head chef Jason, he's do a really good job for us in the commercial cook. Every day when I come to TAFE, for me it's not hard to come here. It's just to have fun, because the lectures, they bring something else, the passion when you're cooking. It's awesome.